हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो तुम लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ तुम सभी लोग स्वस्थ होगे और पढ़ाई में अति उत्साह के साथ पूरे दम खम के साथ लगे हुए होगे कि इस बार क्रैक करना है। तो आप लोगों की मदद के लिए ही, ताकि आप लोगों की पढ़ाई मदद हो जाए फिजिक्स में, और ये उसी में अंतर्गत 50 MCQ इन फिजिक्स यूनिट डायमेंशन पार्ट 1 ये लाया गया है। उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा। और ऐसे भी आप लोग तैयारियां जोर शोर चल ही रही है, उसमें भी ये तड़का काम करेगा आपको। तो आइए बढ़ते हैं आगे। आप लोगों का टेस्ट हो जाएगा कि आप लोग कितने पानी में हैं। तो चलिए एसिड टेस्ट में उतरते हैं, लिटमस टेस्ट में उतरते हैं। 50 MCQ इन फिजिक्स यूनिट्स डायमेंशन पार्ट 1। पहले सवाल लेते हैं, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वांटिटीज आर डायमेंशनलेस? स्ट्रेन, रिलेटिव डेंसिटी, सॉलिड एंगल, प्लेन एंगल, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स। कौन सा क्वांटिटीज डायमेंशनलेस है? उम्मीद करता हूं तुम लोगों ने जवाब मन में सोच ही लिया होगा। तो सही जवाब है इसमें A, B, C, D, E सभी डायमेंशनलेस है। स्ट्रेन भी डायमेंशनलेस है, रिलेटिव डेंसिटी, सॉलिड एंगल, प्लेन एंगल, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सभी डायमेंशनलेस है। All the ratios of same dimensions are defined geometrically dimensionless. Second question, which SI base quantities are involved in the dimension formula of pressure? Which SI base quantities are involved in the dimension formula of pressure? Mass, length, time, temperature and electric current. सही right answer is mass, length and time. Pressure correct answer is ABC. Pressure is equal to force by area. It is the dimension of pressure. All the quantities are here: mass, length and time. Which of the following cannot be derived using dimension analysis alone? Formula for centripetal force, period of pendulum, numerical constant in disturbance law, energy stored in capacitor, escape velocity. Which one is the right answer? Guess. Option C is correct. Numerical constant in disturbance law. Pure numerical constant phi half sigma cannot be obtained. The dimensional formula of Planck constant H is option A m L2 power 2 t to the power minus 1, second m L2 power 2 t to the power minus 2, option C ml t to the power minus 1, D m t to L to power 2 t to the power minus 3, D option m to power 2 L to power 2 t to the minus 1. Which is the right correct answer is A. Planck constant का डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला है ये m L to power 2 t to the power minus 1. H is equal to energy into time, that is. Which quantities have same dimensions as torque? कौन सा क्वांटिटीज का डायमेंशन टॉर्क की तरह है? वर्क, एंगुलर मोमेंटम, एनर्जी, कपल, पावर. करेक्ट आंसर इज वर्क, एनर्जी एंड कपल. A C D. Torque is force into distance, same energy and work, m L to power 2 to the power minus 2. Next question, which of the following are SI derived units? Joule, Tesla, Kelvin, Ampere, Pascal. Right answer is A Joule, B and E Pascal. All are SI derived units. Next question is dimension formula of surface tension is quick recall बच्चों recall करो जल्दी करो कौन सा है surface tension का dimension formula. Option A m t to power minus 2 force by length. Next question, which of the following question is dimensionally incorrect? B is equal to u plus at, a is equal to ut plus at square, f is equal to ama, p is equal to fb is equal to mc square. इसमें कोई भी इनकरेक्ट नहीं है, ऑल आर करेक्ट, all dimension correct. B is only numerically incorrect because there should be half at, here should be half at, but not dimensionally. So all are dimensionally correct. Next question, which quantities depend on only one base unit? Momentum, pressure, strain, frequency, angle. Correct answer is recall D. Frequencies depend only one base unit, that is T to power minus 1. Next question, the dimension formula of magnetic flux is magnetic flux का dimension formula option B m l to power 2 t to minus 1 a to power minus 1. Next question is which quantities remain unchanged under change of unit system? Option A numerical value angle, numerical value of refractive index, physical quantity mass, numerical value of velocity strain. Correct answers are B numerical value of refractive index, C physical quantity mass and E strain. Next question, which of the following relation is dimensionally valid? Dimensionally valid कौन सा है? A में v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस at, f इक्वल टू mv स्क्वायर बाय r, p इक्वल टू iv स्क्वायर, e इक्वल टू pt, v इक्वल टू ir. B D E these are the following relation dimensionally valid. Next question, if force directly proportional to a to power a t to power b where x is equal to displacement, t is equal to time, then dimensions of force imply a is equal to 1, b to power minus 2, a is equal to minus 1, b to power is equal to 2, a plus b is equal to minus 1. Recall, quick do it. Option A and B are correct. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2. Next question, which of the following are pseudo forces dimensionally equivalent to force? Centrifugal force, Coriolis force, gravitational force, normal direction of friction. Right answer are centrifugal force and Coriolis force. Next question, which quantities have same dimensions as impulse? कौन सा quantity जो impulse की तरह same dimension रखता है? Momentum, force, energy, angular momentum and power. Momentum. Correct answer is momentum. This MCQ is ये MCQ जो बताया जा रहा है आप लोगों को, ये टेस्ट है आपके लिए. आप लोगों ने काफी महारत हासिल कर रखी है, ऐसा उम्मीद मैं रखता हूँ. एक्सपर्ट होंगे आप यूनिट डायमेंशन के चैप्टर में, तो ये टेस्ट है आपके लिए, लिटमस टेस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द डायमेंशन ऑफ डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट इज ऑप्शन ए एम एल पावर 2 पावर माइनस 1 टी टू माइनस 2, बी डायमेंशनलेस, सी एल टू माइनस 1 एम टी टू माइनस 2, ई ऑप्शन ए टू पावर 2 एस टू पावर 4 के जी पावर माइनस 1 एम टू माइनस 3. राइट आंसर इज B. That constant is dimensionless. Next question is the limitations of dimension analysis. Option A cannot find numerical constants, cannot distinguish scalar vector, cannot check trigonometric functions, cannot derive empirical relations, cannot verify correctness of equation. Correct answers are cannot find numerical constants A, cannot distinguish the scalar vector B, and also C, cannot check trigonometric functions. Next question, which are the following quantities change if mass unit is doubled? अगर मास यूनिट को डबल किया जाए तो क्या फिजिकल क्वांटिटी हो सकती है, कौन सा? फोर्स, वेलोसिटी, एनर्जी, एक्सीलरेशन, मोमेंटम. राइट आंसर इज फोर्स, एनर्जी एंड मोमेंटम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच क्वांटिटीज इन्वॉल्व इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इन डायमेंशंस? रेजिस्टेंस, चार्ज, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, कैपेसिटेंस. All are quantities are involved in electric current dimensionally. Resistance, charge, electric field, magnetic field, and capacitance. Next question: which quantities have same dimensions as pressure? Stress, energy density, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, power density. Right answer are quick response, stress, energy density, Young modulus, and bulk modulus. Next question, if A, C, G are fundamental constants, which quantity can be derived? Length, mass, time, energy, and charge. Which answers are true? Correct. A, B, and C. If A, C, G are fundamental constant, which quantity can be derived? These are the times derived. This is also called Planck constants. Next question, which quantities are independent of gravitational field? Mass, weight, time, electric charge, and energy. Quick response. Make your mind like a computer. AI, like AI, artificial intelligence. A and D. A, mass, and D, electric charge. These are the independent of gravitational field. Which of the following has dimension t to the power minus 2? Angular velocity, angular acceleration, frequency square, strain rate, acceleration per length. Correct answer are angular acceleration and frequency squared. Next question, which pairs have same dimension formula? Torque and energy, pressure and stress, work and power, angular momentum and Planck constant, force and momentum. Which pair have same dimension formula? Correct answer is A, B, and D. A, B, D have same dimension formula. Next question, which quantities have dimension M, L to power 2 minus 2, T to the power minus 2? Pressure, stress, energy density, surface energy, intensity. Which quantity? Pressure A, stress B, and C, energy density has same dimension as the given. Next question, if V is directly proportional to R to N omega to power M, where V is velocity, R is radius, omega is angular velocity, then option A, N is equal to 1, M is equal to A 1, N plus M is equal to 2, M is equal to minus 1, N is equal to 0. Which is the correct answer? Quick response. A and B, N is equal to 1 and M is equal to 1. Which quantities are independent of choice of origin? The displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, and momentum. Independent of choice of origin. B, distance, velocity, acceleration, and momentum, all except displacement are the independent of choice of origin. Next question, which quantities involve temperature dimension? Entropy, heat, internal energy, thermal conductivity, and Boltzmann constant. Correct answers are entropy, thermal conductivity, and Boltzmann constant have the temperature dimension AD. Next question, which are fundamental constants C, G, H, R, K? Correct answer are quick A, C, B, G, C, H and E, K. These are fundamental constants. Next question, which of the following equations are dimensionally consistent? B is equal to square root gr, t is equal to square root 1 by g, p is equal to rho gh is equal to hv is equal to kx. Which are correct? Dimensionally consistent. All are dimensionally consistent, all the equations. Next question, which of the following quantities are invariant under the change of inertial frame? Mass, momentum, kinetic energy, time interval and charge. A, mass, D, time interval and charge. Mass, proper time, electric charge are frame independent, momentum and k depend on velocity. Next question is dimension formula of coefficient of viscosity is m to first option m L to power minus 1 T to power minus 1, second m L T to minus 1 m L to power minus 2 T to minus 1 m T to minus 1 m to power 0 L to power 0 T to power 0. The correct answer is yes, B. This is the coefficient of viscosity dimension formula. This one is correct. Note this. Sorry for this. The dimension formula coefficient of viscosity is 32. A m L to power minus 1 T to minus 1. Next question, which quantities have the same dimensions as angular momentum? Planck constant, torque into time, moment of inertia and angular velocity, energy into time, force into area. Planck's constant, torque into time, moment of inertia and angular velocity and energy into time. The same dimension as angular momentum. Which of the following relations are dimensionally incorrect? A stress into force by area, power is equal to force into velocity, pressure, energy by volume, momentum is equal to force by time, torque is equal to force into distance. Which is dimensionally incorrect? Recall D. Momentum is equal to force by time is not, it is force into time, not divided. If a physical quantity depends on length only, which of the following can represent it? Area, volume, radius, wavelength and displacement. C, D and E only depends on length. Next question, which quantities remain unchanged when time unit is doubled? Velocity, acceleration, force, momentum and mass. Call quick. Which quantities remain unchanged when time unit double? Mass. Next question is, which quantities have same dimensions as pressure into volume? Work, energy, torque, power and heat. Right answer is work, energy, torque and heat. Same dimension, having same dimension as pressure and volume. Next question, the dimension formula of electric field intensity is option A m L T to minus 3 A to minus 1, option B m L to minus 2 L to power 2 T to minus 3 A to minus 1, option C m L T to power minus 2 A to power minus 1, D m L minus power 1 T to power minus 3 A to power minus 1. E, m to 0, L to 0, T to 0. Correct answer is option A, m, L, T to minus 3, A to minus 1. Dimension formula of electric field intensity is option A. Which the following quantities involve no fundamental dimension of mass m? Frequency, velocity, acceleration, pressure and strain. A, frequency, velocity, acceleration and E, no fundamental dimension of mass. Frequency, velocity, acceleration and strain not having fundamental dimension of mass. Next question, which quantities have dimensions of L to power 2, T to power minus 2? Gravitational potential, square velocity, energy per unit mass, work per unit mass, angular velocity squared. Quick response, which answer is correct? This is a litmus test for you all. Gravitational potential, square velocity, energy per unit mass and work per unit mass. These are quantities have same dimension of L to power 2, T to minus 2. Next question, which of the following physical equations can be verified using dimension analysis? V is equal to U plus AT is equal to MC square, F is equal to MA, S is equal to UT plus half AT square and V is equal to U plus AT square. I hope you have guessed the right answers A, B, C and D. All are correct. Next question, the dimension formula of electric resistance is option A, M, L to power 2, T to minus 3, A to power minus 2. B, M, L, T to minus power minus 2, A to power minus 1. C, M, L to power 2, T to minus 2, A to power minus 1. D, M, L to power minus 2, T to minus 3, A to power 2. D, M, T to minus 3, A to power minus 2. Which option is correct? The formula of resistance is option A is correct. M, L to power 2, T to minus 3, A to minus 2. Next question, which quantities depend on two base quantities only? Velocity, acceleration, time, momentum, angular velocity and frequency. Velocity and angular velocity and frequency depends on two base quantities only. Next question, if force F is directly proportional to V to power A to power B, C, P, rho is equal to power C, where B is equal to velocity, R is equal to radius and rho is density, then A to power A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 1, A plus B plus C is equal to 3, B minus C is equal to 0. Correct answer is, quick calculate in your mind, A, B and C. These are the correct answer. Which of the following quantities are scalar but dimensionally vector-like? Work, pressure, energy, power and temperature. Right answer are work, pressure and energy. Next, which quantities are independent of direction but not magnitude? Velocity, speed, distance, displacement and acceleration. Correct answer are speed and distance. Which of the following are supplementary quantities? Plane angle, solid angle, strain, angular velocity, curvature. Correct answer are plane angle and solid angle. Next question is, which quantities have same dimension as impulse per unit mass? Velocity, acceleration, momentum, force and energy. Recall first velocity. This is the correct answer. Which quantities are affected by change in length unit only? Area, volume, velocity, acceleration and strain. Correct answer are area and volume. Next question, which statements are correct? Dimension analysis cannot predict exact formula. It can detect incorrect equations. It can derive trigonometric relations. It works for empirical relations. It cannot distinguish scalar and vector quantities. Correct answers are A, B and E. तो बच्चों आज का वीडियो वहीं तक। कैसा लगा? उम्मीद है तुम लोगों को बहुत आनंद आया होगा। इसे प्रैक्टिस करो, नोट करो और तैयारी में जुटे रहो। सफलता जरूर तुम्हारे कदम चूमेगी, ये हमारा शुभकामना है तुम लोगों के लिए। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल कोड टू करेक्ट फिजिक्स को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, बेल बटन प्रेस करो ताकि हमारा वीडियो अपलोड होते ही उसका नोटिफिकेशन तुम तक पहुंच सके। ज़्यादा शेयर करो। तब मिलते हैं बच्चों अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।